played again in Jakarta volcano called pockets and all sorts. Spinning, let's see who's gonna be say the pub. I think he's also from Pakistan. It's my break. Back screw full power and number one has been potted. Number one is solid. So ball has not been decided yet. I have to choose a ball. Which one to choose? Let's choose solid. Let's go it for solid. Yeah, solid ball. That has been potted in the middle pocket. Let's go in the middle pocket again. Number seven into the left middle pocket. And that has been potted as well. Let's go for number two into the left corner pocket. Left corner pocket, and that has been potted as well. Number three into the left corner pocket. Yeah, I think now I'm aiming it right. Number five into the left corner pocket. That has been potted as well. Now number four into the left corner pocket. Black ball left. Where to choose? Let's choose it here in the middle pocket. Scissor shot. This is called scissor shot, and that's not been potted. Oh, I missed it. He's from India. India versus Nepal. He has potted number 15 into the left corner pocket. He's going for the next ball in number 14 in the right corner pocket, and that has been potted. One miss, and the game is gonna finish. I missed one. Oh, he has potted. I got a chance. Thanks, buddy. Into the upper upper left corner pocket, and that has been potted as well. Thanks, buddy. I win.